Good morning. Today, RIL to hold its much-awaited AGM in Mumbai. We expect a rather subdued start to the day, but Reliance Group companies could hog more limelight as we wrap up another good week. Emotions may run high in the wake of the rapprochements between the two estranged Ambani siblings. Reports point to a few big bang announcements by Mukesh Ambani. A word of caution here, Reliance and ADAG Group shares have rallied in recent past. It would not be a bad idea to adopt the sell-on news strategy and lock in some gains in these counters. Asian markets are listless despite the overnight recovery in the US and Europe. Things could turn better later on as investors will focus on improving fiscal situation in the Eurozone. The market can advance a little further in the coming weeks provided the global news flow, particularly from Europe, remains positive. If bulls get dizzy at heights, be prepared to see some sudden tumble. Bond prices are likely to remain depressed in the near term as the fear of RBI's rate action as well as prospects of further tightening in liquidity situation may weigh on the market sentiments. The other news for the day is food price inflation for week ended the 5th of June was at 16.12% as compared to 16.74% in the previous week. According to Deputy Governor K.C. Chakrabarty, RBI favors giving banks the freedom to decide the interest rates on their savings deposits. RBI has asked all banks to go back on their boards and rework their plans on the financial inclusions. The government is likely to postpone the launch of the mobile number portability scheme to early next year. India plans to embark on the program to tap the shale oil reserves in the country after the Directorate General of Hydrocarbons found substantial reserves of gas in Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. CERC has notified its regulations on sharing of interstate transmission charges and losses. These regulations would implement the point of connection method of sharing the cost of interstate transmission services in the country. Reliance Powers has started generation from the second unit of the Rosa Power Project in Uttar Pradesh. Reliance Communication plans to hive off its direct-to-home and Internet Protocol TV business into a separate company, Reliance Digital Works. Tata Motors is charting a strategy for a 25% carbon dioxide reduction in its Jaguar and Land Rover models. Punjab National Bank to raise $100 million funds for overseas expansion. Ranbaxy may close down one of its biggest global bulk production units at Mohali and is sourcing few products made at the facility. Moving on to the recommendations, the derivative strategies are long India Cements June future in the range of Rs 113 to Rs 114 for a target price of Rs 120 and the stop loss is to be placed at Rs 119.90. And long McLeod Russell June future in the range of Rs 187 to 188 for a target price of Rs 194 and the stop loss is to be placed at Rs 182.95. The technical calls are a buy on United Phosphorus. Traders are recommended to buy the stock at the range of Rs 188 to Rs 192 for a target price of Rs 204 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 183. And a buy on Triveni Engineering. Traders are recommended to buy the stock in the range of Rs 97 to 98 with a stop loss at Rs 94.50 and a target price of Rs 105. Thank you and have a great day ahead.